Hey guys, welcome back to you guys' amazing brain. Today I'm gonna be showing you my slime. That's it, slime. I bought it from my school. It says nose putty. Okay, that's weird, right? Yeah, that's weird. I have three more colors, which is blue and red. So I'm gonna get those. So the first one, yellow. The first slime is gonna be the yellow one. This yellow slime is very gunky. You can do anything with it except to put it on your hair. Don't put it on your hair. Nope, don't put it in your hair. You could do anything with this thing. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't eat it. Don't put it in your nose. Don't put it in your butt. Don't put it in your hair. And for most reasons, babies don't have slime is don't put it on. They put it in their eyes, and their ears, and their hair. Don't do that. And if you put the slime in, it makes a fart noise. That's it for the yellow slime. Let's do the red slime. The red slime, I have a little less of it. It's also very gunky. You could do anything with it, but don't put it in your mouth, in your nostrils, in your eye, in your ears, in your hair, and in your butt. Okay, so let me make a mustache out of this. I am a gentleman now. I'm not actually. This guy also makes a fart noise when you put on this. Time for the blue one. This was actually my first nose putties, blue slime. This is actually my first slime I got. That was so gunky, it was so stretchy, it was satisfying, it could stretch longer than the others. And for like the other ones, don't put it in your hair, don't put it on your eyes, don't put it on your nostrils, don't put it on your mouth, don't put it in your ear, and don't put it on your butt. This is my very first slime. And this guy also makes a fart noise when you put on this. That was all of the nose putty slimes. And if you want to check out the other videos I made, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like every video I make. I'm going to see you folks in the next video. I'm going to do it like 10 minutes later. So subscribe and hit that notification bell. Like every video. I have a ton of videos. I have 58 of them if I post this one. See you folks in the next video. Ciao.